This is Miss Kanisha in our community garden. We are going to show you how to plant in our grow bags. We're going to plant transplants in a grow bag. Leafy green vegetable as well as a basil. We're going to start by filling our bag with soil. We're going to add, which is an organic, slow release fertilizer. That's all right, baby, you got it. We're going to be adding it to our layers so that we can kind of stack the layers, and as our plants start to grow, they'll have access to the fertilizer throughout. All right, good job. So we're gonna put a few more. Just gonna loosen up the roots. So I'm going to flip it very carefully, remove the pot, and we're going to tickle the roots. Can you tickle them a little bit? Loosen them up? Good job. All right, awesome. The microlife just to the hole before we plant. So they have immediate access to those nutrients. That's good. Thank you, babe. Perfect. Now we want to put the tag. Let's put them in there. All right. So I guess you can do that while I dig it this time, okay? The roots are funny. All right, come on. Oh, we want to keep them intact though, right? All right, I'll hold this guy up, and then
Make it less.
It's okay. A little bit of water never hurt nobody. All right, good job. Base around. We're gonna plant nasturtiums. So Pranam, do you want to poke? We have these. All right, so we're going to, there you go, we're going to plant our seeds one by one. All right. Two. All right, good job. So that we can water our seeds. And then what do we say when we plant seeds?